Hi, I made this watch like a month ago, but I don't like how this dial looks on him. I thought this yellow would be good, but I don't like it, so let's change it. First I'm gonna take out the pin on the bracelet so I can get to the movement easily. You see these arrows that point out? That's where you need to push the pin so it comes out. Let me show you. And like that, the pin is out. Now let's open the case back. I will leave a link if you wanna watch the video where I put this watch together. See, I even got this yellow rotor on it. You just need to press this so you can pull the stem out, so I can get the movement out of the case. If you have time, please subscribe and like this video. Here is the dial. It looks nice, but let's try the other one. The process is simple. You just need to pull out these hands, and after that you just need to take off the dial and put a new one in. I need to watch out so I don't damage these hands. Maybe I will use it another time on another watch. Who knows? See, I even got this yellow rotor on the watch. Like I said, I will put a video somewhere, maybe in the description or I don't know, somewhere, so you can watch it, how I built this watch. And this is the new dial. I think the black will look better. I even got the other hands for it. And there, you'll see. You can see, now you just press here. You just need to line up the holes so it goes right in. Let's see if it works, if it changes the date. It clicks. And so now you need to put our hand. You see when I change the date, it changes at 12 o'clock, so you need to put our hand at 12 o'clock, so it changes when it comes to 12 o'clock, right? And when you align it, you just need to press it down. The tools that I use are from AliExpress, so I will put the link down below if you want to buy some. It costs around maybe $10 for all the tools. 12, 20 maybe. And now I rotate it like 24 hours. So I see if it changes at 12 o'clock. right on spot. I like this. And now the minute hand. It also has to go on 12 o'clock, so it would switch the date. It's tricky, this part. The second hand is crazy when you have to put this. It's so tiny. Every time you need to check if it changes on 12 o'clock, so now I'm doing that. And the moment of truth, yeah, I didn't film it right, yeah, okay. But it moved on 12 o'clock, so now it's for the second hand. It's so hard to put this second hand. You need to, it's just tiny, tiny, tiny part that needs to come in. I hope this right. Let's press this down. Moment of truth. And it's working. All good. And now I just need to put it back together and see what it looks like in the end. Like I said, all the tools that I use are in the description. And if you have time, please click that subscribe button. It means a lot. Many people that watch this aren't subscribed, like 95%, so thank you. Let's put the bracelet back. And now this is the watch. That looks much better, I think. I left this yellow second hand, so yeah, I think it looks better this way. Once again, click that subscribe button so you don't miss out If you like watches, I got many videos about watches, so check out my page. Let's see it on wrist. Yeah, much better. It looks smaller like this, I think.